Are you there? No, we're doing slime blindfolded. Come on. There we go. Gotta steer that.
Are you trying to look?
No.
Your head's just like staring at the roof. Okay, let's see how she's doing up close. Yeah, that might be good. This is what she has so far. Okay. Okay, looks like she's adding food coloring now. This looks like she... Yep, you put it in. My phone. As you can see, it's turning its color. Look at it, so blue. You might want to add a little more because it's like turning like white and blue. Oh, yeah. Alright guys, as you can see.
Favorite.
Yeah.
You know what I really want you to do? Not lose your wallet.
I think she's confused, guys. This might be easy for me because I'm like really good at it.
Ooh, Mexican restaurant.
What are you yelling at that right now? You know, this is sad.
I agree.
Guys,
Alright guys, let's go back up and see up close. As you can see, it's turning slime. You're actually doing good so far. You're probably like an expert at it.
It has
Okay.
to, right? But why?
Now she has to start mixing with her hands.
Well, I'm thinking chicken. The waitress definitely would have like.
Can you hear me? Put some more activator.
Yeah.
Don't call it. Say there's like a.
Alright guys, look at that.
Yeah.
Now she's gonna reveal it, so
Alright, she's gonna open her
I
blindfold.
need you to open it for me.
Okay guys, let's see her reaction. Oh yay!
Say it's a Breaking Bad wallet.
Caption.
Alright guys, now we are gonna do my part in the next video. Bye!